Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech World, and today we're going to do the review of the Mi Notebook Pro 15 which released on 30 March 2021. Let's get on with the review.
So, as we go to the review, this laptop is a very good laptop. It is released on 2021, March 30th, 2021, as GTech has, Tech World has told. And as we are going to more specifications, this laptop is released on 30th March of its brand is Xiaomi. Its model is Mi Notebook Pro 15 2021 version with the model name of Mi Pro 15. Its series is Mi Notebook. So Mi Notebook has many other model names. This is one of the model name. It's Pro 15, which is a 2021 version, as I'm telling. So dimensions of this is 237.50 into 348 onto point 40 into 16.30 dimensions, with a weight of 1.8 kilo, with a color which is silver, and operating system Windows 10, and a battery capacity of 66 VHR.
So when we talk about the display, it is 15.6-inch diagonally and resolution is 3456 by 2160 pixels and 60 Hz of refresh rate. Its processor is not dedicated graphics. It's not a dedicated graphics, but it is integrated graphics, which is the Intel integrated Iris Xe graphics, and it has 16 gigabytes of RAM and Intel Core i5 11 Gen Core i5 11308 series processor. And the connectivity is Wi-Fi standard supported 802.11 and the Bluetooth version is 5.1.
Sorry guys, it was a problem. Yes, and as we go to the inputs, we have a pointer device which is a touchpad, internal mic, and speakers. And now as we go to the ports and slots, we have three USB ports with a Thunderbolt 4 type C, which is one of them is there, and there is an headphone and a mic combo jack. Now let's head to our outro, actually. Our outro. So
Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.